Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and I have prepared another tutorial for you. Not over the top, quite easy to do it. Have a preview of it in here. Yes, awesome wintry set of the nails. I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial. If you do, let me know in the comments below. So let's start. It is an actually awesome look done by the accident, and I need to guys show it to you because I have worked out what's happened in there, and I do really love this look. Like, I mean, the design is really simple and easy, but I love how frosted it looks. So let's try on 261. I actually even don't know how this color is gonna turn out, but I would assume it will look really nice and pretty. So just paint the, yes, it will look really nice and pretty. Paint the background in this color. And then once you're happy with it, give it a 60 seconds cure. I actually might do it too, why not? So grab another tip, remove the dash, and apply this color over it. The ones you have seen it on my display case was done with the color 235, so that was like a very pastel pink. Okay, this one seems to have a really amazing coverage. I'm making sure I'm removing the excess of it. You don't want to have too much product in because that may cause some wrinkles of it. Let's cure it. And then apply the High Shine No Wipe top coat. And you want to cure this top coat for 60 seconds. Okay, and then you can cure it for 60 seconds. When you're working with the top coat, make sure it's really nice and smooth. Do the same on the other tip. Remove some dust particle. And give it 60 seconds cure as well. Okay, my first tip is half ready because I always undercook my nails, so you don't have to wait, guys. And we are gonna use the Aurora chrome. Obviously, if you cure it 60 seconds, it's really nice and shiny. Mine should be just about, I should cook it slightly longer. I mean, it looks really nice like this as well, like that's kind of give already those frosted look. We could keep it like that, but I want to make it sure it's nice and shiny. Okay, now our next step, and if you want to make your design to work, this is where you have to go wrong, because that's where the mistake happened. You want to apply the top coat and you want to cure it only like 5 to 10 seconds, no longer. Anything longer will cause the top coat to cure too much for this look. So basically I'm just taking the tip and putting on for literally 10 seconds. Okay, then wrap the chrome in this one, and this one was cooked longer. I can already see how the Aurora is taking it. Remove the one which was just freeze for 10 seconds. I actually love it over this purple. It looks amazing, unbelievably amazing, because you've got some pinks, purples, blues showing through it. Also look at the difference in between. This one is really much chromier than this one because the first tip wasn't cured properly. Okay, the top coat again. I love all those kind of designs by accidents and by the mistakes. That's actually where the trending stuff is born, and like something new is discovered. But apply this top coat in there as well. And I mean, look at the difference. So as I say, the left one was cured properly, the right one wasn't. 10 seconds cure again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was probably 5 seconds. That should do. And because of it, the top coat didn't cure it almost at all. It's just set a little bit, which means later on when we'll be sprinkle it, it will catch our sugar glitter and got those frosty look. So let me demonstrate that to you. I'm just gonna go with like a really extremely easy snowflakes, because it is not about the snowflakes now, but it is about the frosted look. So really easy one here as well. D-liner brush. You could get lost with all those dots. So just drag them in. Here is the first one and the second one. So we're doing a line in between, then drag through the dot. That's it, ready. Grab the sugar glitter. Now what I find that the sugar glitter lasts best over the white French gel, and also like it has to be a sugar glitter. Not every glitter will stay on nice. Do you remember that, guys? Because some of the glitters don't let your product okay, so some sugars don't cook properly. The glitter wouldn't get your product to cure it through properly. So we've got another type of snowflake here. Again, like really simple one. And then some dots and dots and dots. And again, you could almost get lost with the amount of the dot we create in here. Okay, I think I am even. So let me grab the D-liner brush and try to work out something from it. Drag through it. Okay, that will do. And then we can do another one just in here. Now let's do it the other way. It will get a different shape. Yes. Yes, absolutely. So this one goes through that way. This one goes through that way and that way. And then the other dots, you want to get them in there like this. I had to clean my brush because it had some fluff in there. And then just so our snowflake doesn't feel empty in the middle, small rhombus shape. Dotting tool. And then sprinkle it with the sugar. And what is happening, because the top coat didn't cook properly, the sugar is getting into the top coat and is kind of gonna stay in there and give you this frosty look. So normally when I clean off the excess of the product, it will clean nice and shiny like it did in here. So on this nail you can see it, we've got nice and chromy look, and this one is this frosty look because the top coat, the sugar did stick into not properly cured top coat, and that's what happened. So actually my under curing of the product let me create a brand new idea for the design, and I actually love it. Like, I do really love it. So clean this one and you can see it, we've got this frosted look in here as well. So we could create it a frozen snowflakes. Absolutely amazing, so pretty, so delicate, and something slightly different. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this accidental technique. I'm sending you glittery hugs, and bye for now.